Here we are, YouTube. My final Fire Red team video. The last match I used this Pokemon. Okay. Cynthia versus Jason X. Spiritomb versus Gengar. I go for the Shadow Ball. Let's see how much this does. It does good damage and lowers your special defense. Okay. Another Shadow Ball. I don't miss, and Spiritomb is down. Okay, now Garchomp. Okay, Garchomp. I'll send out Gyarados. Lower your attack with Intimidate. Let's see how damage this will do. Dragon Rush. It doesn't hit, and I go for the Ice Fang. Now Stone Edge does a lot. Ice Fang. And sends Garchomp down. What about next? Next is Milotic. Okay, Milotic. I'll send you my Venusaur. Yes, I sent out Venusaur. Milotic goes for the Blizzard, but misses. I put Milotic to sleep now. Okay. Good night. Giga Drain. It's not even a 2KO. Okay, another Giga Drain. Almost survives. Giga Drain, now she uses fully restore. Okay, if I was a level up, then it will be down. Okay, good night again. I hit again. And now you go for the Sludge Bomb. Let's see how much Sludge Bomb does. Okay, the next Giga Drain will take Milotic down. Bye bye Milotic. Finally. Yes, it is down. Milotic is very bulky. Okay, your next Pokemon is Glaceon. Okay, Glaceon. Let's put you to sleep. Good night. Yes, and let's send out Machamp. Okay, Machamp. Dynamic Punch this thing on the face. Dynamic Punch it is. Keep sleeping. And Glaceon is down. Next one is Lucario. Okay. Lucario has Psychic, I think. Let's stay. I go for another Dynamic Punch. Yes, Psychic. I don't think it's a KO. No, it's not. Dynamic Punch to your face. And Lucario is down. As you can see, I used all my Pokemon. I haven't used yet Arcanine and Dragonite, but something tells me I will use them now. Okay. You will go for what now? Let's see. I go for the Arcanine. She has only one Pokemon left, so I can troll this Togekiss a little. You go for the Air Slash, which it's not a KO, so let's go for the Flamethrower. Goes for another Air Slash. Flamethrower didn't do a lot. Okay, what about sending out Dragonite? Okay, Air Slash again. It doesn't do a lot. Let's use Fly. Oh, it is faster. Okay. I fly. Use another Air Slash. Is it a KO? No. Okay. Let's send out Gengar again. She goes for another Air Slash, just on KO. No. I go for Psychic. And Togekiss is down. This is it, we beat it Cynthia, and this was the last Fire Red team match.